Hello everyone, my name is Julian Guzman Paez, and I'm going to talk about the value of history for humanity. Well, I currently take Virtual English 6 at Pontificia Universidad Javeriana, and this is my final project to this semester. So here we go. As an introduction of this topic, I have a question to you. Why history is important for our future? So what do you think about it? Well, as you know, we are living in a global context as world citizens, but we are located in different places of the world, such as countries, cities, or towns. And we can also have different ways to express our thoughts, our feelings, our opinions, according to the topic of our conversations. But what happened with our cultures or tradition? Have you ever asked yourself about why we celebrate different festivities according to the past of the year? For example, in Colombia, we celebrate Barranquilla's Carnival in February, and this is a tradition for us. But in other countries of the world, such as Japan, China, or South Korea, they celebrate Lunar New Year. In that time, they share a special moment with families to thank to God for another opportunity to change their lives, other year of life. Well, there were several periods of time in our history of humanity. And it's important to know what happened in past to understand our present. For example, several years ago, the computers were created. And in this time, we are in a new technological revolution. In this time of pandemic, due to coronavirus, we have had to reinvent our lifestyle. For example, we have to attend virtual classes. We have meeting on different platforms on internet. People have to work on home office mode and so on. And in this moment of our lives is so important, the technological revolution, because thanks to this we can communicate with other people around the world through internet. And another example of this is this. Imagine in this there is a woman. I want to say that it's important to us as a woman, and when we were recognized as subject of rights. In present time, we have more opportunities to work, more. We can make decisions important with other men. We can also study at the university. Other things important happened in our lives as women. And in this way, we can build a different future to another generations, a better future as global citizens. Well, I searched on internet historical pictures, but I found several images of violence, of death, of war, and I didn't want to share this with you because we watch on TV or social media this type of news, and it's so bad for us. In this case, I choose several images that show us more positive through history. In the first one, we have this sequence of images. In this, there was a woman. Around there were several men who were in a competition in marathon. In this, Kathleen Sweeter was the first woman to run in the Boston Marathon on April 19th, 1967. There was an important moment for women due to she was an example for effort on didn't give up and move forward through the problem. In that case, there was a man who wanted to push him and got out to the run, and her boyfriend had to help her, and in this way she could continue to run in this marathon. In present time, she is an example for other women to wanna be sportician, in specific in this type of sports. Well, in the second photo has the most famous picture, the most famous kiss, and this taken by Albert Einstein on August 14th in 1945 at Times Square in New York. The people were celebrating the final of the Second World War, and the couple of the picture didn't know each other. He surprised her, kissing her in front of many people in that time. He was a Marine, and she was an assistant, a dental assistant, who were walking around the streets of New York. And this is a surprise or shock time that was captured through this picture. This is beautiful because it's shown us that we can happy through adversities. And this is an example of that. And the third one is this picture. Its title is A Woman with a Flower. It was taken by Mark Rubio on October 21st, 1967. This girl was only 17 years old, and she decided to stay in front of the soldiers with a flower in her hands as a protest against the Vietnamese war. She demonstrated that the peaceful way is the most important than the death or violence in that time. And this beautiful image was captured by this photographer. This is a beautiful moment of history of humanity on this and that country. Well, as a conclusion, I want to say that history is really value for humanity, so we have to preserve our historical moments, then telling to the future generations. And finally, I can remember you learn new things every day, and you can also change our history with your own actions to have a better future as a global citizens. So thanks for watching this video, and obviously take care of yourself in this time of pandemic, in this time of the coronavirus. Thanks for watching, and see you later. Have a nice day.